Hey gang, Puppy here. This is Caffeine and BS for June 27th, 2019. Addendum. Didn't know this was going to happen. You're asking, can you see it there? You're asking, why do you have a tea bag sticking out of your mouth, Puppy? Well, going 2 rounds with a clothes dryer, the sucker threw a punch that got under my guard. So, you know what you do when you go to the dentist and he yanks something to give you the tea bag. Well, I'm doing that for the lip. But I tell you, I'm the winner. I'm the winner. Clothes dryer's going to the dump. Get run over by a caterpillar. I believe it's a D10. But I'm still here. Sure, I'm going to be taking my painkiller through a straw for a day or two. Boo-hoo! I'm pretty sure Muhammad Ali laying there in the hospital after, winning. They said, hey, congratulations, you won. He said, morphine! Anyway, tomorrow night, I'm getting back out in the shop, and I'm going to machine a pulley so I can run my shear line headstock backwards at slow speed. # cylindrical grinding on the shear line lathe.